Hello student, welcome to my class of computer subject for class 10th. In last video student, we have covered the first learning outcome, that is accessibility option, in which we have covered computer accessibility dialog box and its a tab and serial key. In this video student, we are going to learn second learning outcome, that is understand networking fundamentals of unit number 4. The unit name is web application and security. Under this, we will cover today network and its a type. We will understand what is network and its a type and their architecture. I mean to say client server architecture, P2P architecture, etc. So let's begin with the theoretical part first. So as you can see, student, NCERT provides the study material for that. So here, session number 2, networking fundamental. So before we have to understand what is networking, we need to know what are the connection. So student, connection can be established between two or more computers with the help of wired and wireless technology. Wireless technology may be satellite, Wi-Fi, or logical connection also, or using we can have cable also. So now let's begin what is network. So student, network is a group of computer, or we can say that two and more than two computer collection which are interconnected to each other. Okay. And other hardware may be possible also, like networking component and terminals also. Okay, so network is a collection of, I'm to say, group of two or more than two computer and computer like devices or components or hardware devices which are interconnected to each other via cable or a wireless devices. Okay, and that allow to share the information and resources also. And now in this session, we will understand the basic fundamental concept of networking and the internet using different type of internet connection. So let's begin. How many types of structures are there? So as we know, the network is collection of computers which are interconnected to each other. Okay, and in which term they are connected, we will understand in this particular architecture. So student, under the architecture, the first architecture introduced, that is a P2P architecture, that is also known as P2P architecture. Under the P2P architecture, in a network, two or more than computer, okay, interconnected, which are having the same status. If mean to say, there is no powerful computer among them, all computers are having equivalent what thing, resources, like they are having hardware, same type of hardware, okay, same type of capacity, and they are connecting normally. Okay, like phone to phone, if you are going to connect with by a mobile phone, I'm say Bluetooth, that time it is considered as peer-to-peer architecture. Okay, if my laptop connected to your laptop, okay, with a simple LAN cable, I'm to say a particular cable, okay, in which there is no server, no client, that time considered as a peer-to-peer architecture. Okay, and here it may contain definitely equivalent CPU power also, that is central processing power also. Now we are going to understand the most popular architecture of the internet, I'm to say network, that is client server architecture. So this particular architecture consider one computer having the powerful features, I'm to say hardware, software, okay, like it contain the networking type of networking handle administrator device, okay, and inside that high quality of the RAM, processor, storage capacity, operating system. And other hand, the other computer or more than one computer are having the less amount of we can say that less power of processor, RAM, this one thing. In this, the particular computer which are having the particular good amount of the services, it's a responsibility to store your information and send you the information regarding to the task. Okay, and this is termed as client server technology. In client server technology, client send the request to the server. Request means to say some kind of the string query, okay, query string, we can say that. Okay, and server will understand your query, and then after that, as your query, to satisfy that, server will respond to you the information in the form of answer, I'm to say website or any kind of information. Okay, So here client server architecture, the whole internet technology is based on the most probably I'm to say 50% client server architecture. Now we are going to understand types of network, student. So there are two major type of network, that is LAN and WAN, that is local area network and wide area network. A local area network, as you know, is which one in it is a common one network which is consider or connect the computer and devices in a limited geographical area, such as you can consider home, school, computer laboratory, and office building, or closely synchronized group of the building. Usually local area network offer very high speed and are connecting computer to peripherals such as printer and scanner. So the speed of this particular network is 100 Mbps. And wide area network, a wide area network is one that covers the broad area. It means to say more than local area network, more than metropolitan area network also. That is example we can consider any network that link across the metropolitan area network, regional or national boundaries. The internet is the most popular example of WAN. And it is used by business, government, non-profit organization, individual customer, artists, entrepreneurs, and many others. So student, today we will cover till then local area and wide area network. And after this class, I'm to say this video, we will understand what is internet, its functionality, and its a major component to its a successive result. Till then student, thank you and have a nice day.